So, when I say artificial intelligence, what pops into your head? You probably picture shiny city labs, right? Or maybe some huge tech company. Well, today's story is going to take us somewhere totally different. We're going to a family farm, a place with rich soil and old traditions, to meet the AI team at Grandma's farm. And this is Musa. He's 11. He loves his phone. And, well, he's not exactly thrilled to be visiting his grandmother for the holidays. You can just hear the sigh in his voice. No Wi-Fi, no apps, just soil and hose. For Musa, this farm is the definition of offline. A place where all his digital skills feel completely and totally useless. So this is his world for the holidays. A beautiful, peaceful family farm in northern Nigeria. You can almost hear the wind rustling through the millet and the sound of the goats. It's a world that moves at the speed of the seasons, not the speed of a download. And for a kid like Musa, all that slow, manual work feels like a total punishment. This really shows the huge gap between Musa and his grandma, Zaynab. On one side, you've got Musa's world. Phones, apps, YouTube tutorials, instant information on a dashboard. On the other side is his grandma's world. It runs on a completely different kind of data. The feel of the soil, the way the clouds look, and a whole lifetime of experience. They're speaking two completely different languages. And this is the heart of Grandma Zaynab's wisdom. She tells him,
"The land speaks, Musa. You just have to listen well."
She doesn't see the farm as just a place to work. To her, it's a living thing that communicates. Her knowledge doesn't come from an app. It comes from decades of paying close attention, of connecting with the land. She trusts what she can feel and remember. Just when Musa thinks his holiday is a complete disaster, two very unexpected visitors show up, and they're about to prove that farms are not nearly as offline as he thinks. This is where the story really gets good. First up, meet Code Kid Collar. This guy is pure energy. He's an inventor who looks at code and doesn't see some big mystery. To him, it's just another tool, like a shovel or a hammer. He believes technology is only real if it actually helps people with their day-to-day problems. His motto says it all. Code it, test it, share it. Simple, straight to the point, all about getting things done. Of course, Musa isn't convinced. He looks at Kola and asks what a lot of us think about AI.
You need satellites and big companies for AI, right?
He's imagining giant, expensive data centers, not a dusty farm path in northern Nigeria. Kola's answer is a total game changer. He says,
AI starts with questions, not computers.
That flips everything. You don't start with fancy tech. You start with a real problem you want to solve. This is the moment Musa's mind opens. Kola shows him how to look at the farm differently. All of Grandma's worries, the things she relies on memory and guesswork for, are actually puzzles, data puzzles, and they can be solved if you ask the right questions. Kola breaks it down into three simple but powerful questions. When is it going to rain? How much fertilizer is just the right amount? What's the best price we can get at the market today? Weather data, soil data, market data. Suddenly, farming problems feel solvable. And this gets to the core of what AI really is. Forget sci-fi movies. AI is the skill of using information, data, to find patterns, make predictions, and help you make better decisions. It's not magic, it's a helper, a smart tool for thinking. Now let's meet the second mentor, future Silas. If Kola is the big ideas guy, Silas is the builder. He's quiet, focused, and loves connecting small, simple tools to create something useful. His philosophy is simple. The best tech is the kind you don't even notice. It just works. His motto fits perfectly. Build small until it works. Silas takes Kola's ideas and makes them real. He doesn't build one giant AI brain. Instead, he creates a small team of digital helpers that work together to give Grandma Zaynab simple answers. The plan is clear. Get weather forecast data, use a fertilizer calculator, check daily market prices, connect everything together. Then comes the smartest part. All that complex information is turned into one simple SMS alert, sent to Grandma's regular phone. This is the moment of truth. Will this technology speak in a way she understands and trusts? A small buzz breaks the silence. Not from a smartphone, but from Grandma's old phone. A message arrives. 2 short sentences. Rain expected in 3 days. Delay planting. Grandma reads it. She doesn't blindly trust it. She looks up at the sky, checks the clouds with her own lifetime of wisdom. Then she smiles.
The message agrees with the clouds.
That moment matters. It shows that good technology meets people where they are. It must be clear. It must be trustworthy. It must speak the user's language. And the results are incredible. There's less guesswork, less wasted water and fertilizer, healthier crops, better market prices. The farm becomes more profitable. And Musa, everything changes. He realizes his tech skills do belong on the farm. He says,
I didn't become an AI engineer. I became an AI manager.
He learns that technology isn't just for games and videos. It's a tool for organizing information and solving real problems. So what did we learn from Grandma's farm? AI can help small farms, not just big companies. Small tools working together can be powerful. The best decisions happen when human wisdom and AI insights work together. And for AI to help everyone, it must be simple and accessible. In the end, it's that simple. AI isn't just for coders or labs or big cities. It's for farmers, for students, for parents, for artists. It's for all of us. AI belongs everywhere.